several hours to completely clear the crane. Again, they just kind of moved it out of the way, but they got to figure out what happened to it. So Ashley Harding has been there all morning long, joining us live. And Ashley, I know you're a bit of a ways away, but do you see any backups there on JTB?
I will tell you, as far as we can tell, backups, I wouldn't say backups. It's moving, but it's moving slowly but surely. I will mention we have seen some people driving not so safely, and that's one thing the construction company as well as FHP is asking you to please drive slowly. But let me step out of the way and show you once again what we're looking at. Again, you can now get to 95. The lanes are open. You can also get to Phillips Highway. A lot of people have been asking us, tweeting us, wondering what's going on. I will tell you, plan to leave early this morning. That really is your best bet to get to the office on time. But I will tell you, we've also learned a little bit more about this crane just in the last few minutes. You can see that it has been moved out of the way. They're having issues with getting the traction to pull it out completely and to get it out of here. Now, this is what we did find out just a little while ago. We're told that crane belongs to Barcelona Crane Rental. They are based out of Clearwater, Florida. And as I understand it, a mechanic from Clearwater is on his way up as we speak. Now, this is what a construction worker tells me what led to the breakdown of this crane. He tells me that the crane broke down as a result of antifreeze being put where the diesel is supposed to go. Now, the question I have is, does that mean that there's going to be serious damage to the crane as we speak? It's about 125 feet in the air, so it is a big guy. It is right there, at least out of the way. So for now, people are able to get through. So that is something to think about as you're heading into the office. We do see people moving, so traffic is moving slowly but surely. But as we said, you need to be prepared this morning.